Welcome to our next episode. So today we are speaking logarithm. But today we are going to be looking at logarithm of numbers less than 1. So I've explained how to check the logarithm of numbers less than 1 in some class I've took some couples of days ago. So today I'm going to be bringing some examples on how to treat logarithm of numbers that are less than 1. Today, let's firstly look at this question number 1. We have to look at this number under logarithm table. The number goes thus: 0.004592 raised to power 1/3. You must take note of 3 rules when you are solving logarithm of numbers. Anytime you are given multiplication under numbers, it turns to addition under log. Anytime you are given division under numbers, it turns to subtraction under logarithm. And the last thing, anytime you are given the power, it turns to what? Multiplication under logarithm. Now, if you are not given the roots, what will it now turns to under log? It turns to what? Division. Very simple. So today, we are given 0.0045 raised to power 92 raised to power 1/3. It means 1/3 you are having here. If you recollect in the law of indices, it represents root of 3. So how do you solve it now? You just create 3 columns. Let's say our first column is number. Let's say our second column is logarithm. Let's say our third column is operation. Okay? You are given 0.00459 raised to power 1/3. 0.004592. Under numbers. To calculate this number under logarithm, you are going to convert it to the standard form. If you want to convert this number, you are getting 4.592 times 10 raised to power minus 3. It means your characteristics here must be what? Bar 3 points. How many zeros do you have here? 3. That's what? Bar 3 points. So if you don't get the formal formulas I used, you convert to the what? Standard form. That is what? Times 10 raised to power minus 3. That's the same thing as what? Bar 3 points. You now go and check your 45 under 9 difference 2 in your logarithm table. What do you have? You are going to get 6620. If you check your 45 under 9 difference 2 under our logarithm table, you are going to get this one. So what do you write under the operation? Just say you check what? The log of 0.004592 on your what? On your command log. On your command log. We are done with that now. That number 1. Okay, what is the second step? Is that you solve this question regarding the what? Regarding the power. So how do you solve this question regarding the power? Is that you are going to write a 0.004592 raised to power 1/3. And that one should be what? And that one should be division under our logarithm. So what is the answer you got here? That's what? Bar 3.6620. Now, so this is the logarithm you got before. But because it is raised to power 1/3, you have to divide the what? Divide the logarithm by 3. So what do you write under the operation now? You said divide the log by 3. So what do you have now? You are going to have bar 1.6620. So that's when you divide the log by 3. So after you got this answer now, you are going to look for what? For the antilog. For the what? For the antilog. So looking for the antilog now, you're having bar 1.6620. So this bar 1 will stand for what? Is 0 points. You now go and check your 66 under 2, difference of 0, under your antilog, and you are getting what? You are getting 1663. This will be your final answer for checking your log 0.004592 raised to power 1/3 base 10. Your answer is what? Is 0.1663. Now, let's look at this question number 2. I hope you got number 1 with it. Now, looking at this question number 2, we are given the square root of 0.18 multiplied by 12.5 divided by 0.05 times 0.2. So how do you start? You are going to start with what? Is 0.18. So what is the characteristics of this one? You are having what? Bar 1 point. You now check your 18 under 0. You are going to get 2553. You've solved this 0.18 under your logarithm. Now you move to the second one given. You are given 12.5. You are going to check this one also on your logarithm. Firstly, what's your characteristic? You are going to have what? You are going to have 1 point. So when you check your 12 under 5 different of 0 now, what you have now, you are going to have a 0.969. Okay, now you've got the answer for the answer you are given as your numerator, which is 0.18 times 12.5. Now what the next thing now? The next thing is that you multiply it on that number. 0.18 multiplied by 12.5. And if you don't forget, I said if you are given logarithm of numbers and you multiply the numbers together, you are going to add it on your logarithm. Now the first one is that you have 1.2553. You add it with what? With 1.0969. So what's the operation? You said you had what? You had the two logs above. Now let's add the two log. Now you have what? This 3 plus 9, you have 12. You keep 1. This one you have 12. You still keep 1. This one you have 15. You keep 1. This one is 3. And this one is what? A 0.3522. Now this is the answer for the what? For the numerator we are given. Now let's move to the denominator now. You are having what? You are having a 0.05. This one, the characteristic is what? Is per 2 points. Now you go and check 50 under 0. You're going to have what now? You are going to have 6990. Okay, the next number is 0.2. So our 0.2, what will be our characteristics? That will be what? Per 1 point. You now go and check your 20 under 0. That will be what? That will be 3010. Okay, what is the operation between the 0.05 and 0.2? It is multiplication, Abi, under numbers. Then if it turns to what? Under addition. That will be what? Addition, yes. You now have a 0.05 multiplied by 0.2. So what we have now, you are going to have bar 2.6990 plus bar 1.3010. So let's add. You're going to have what? You are going to have a 0, keep 1, a 0, keep 1. This one is 0, you keep 1. So this one is bar 2, bar 1, making bar 3. Plus the one you kept, making what? Bar 2. So that's the answer you get for the numerator, right? Now, the numerator is divided by the denominator, right? That is, you are going to have what? You are going to have our 0.18 multiplied by 12.5, all divided by 0.05 times 0.2. So what's the next thing for you to do? Is that you take this number and you subtract from this number. That will be what? A 0.3522 minus bar 2.0000. So what do you have now? You are going to subtract, right? Yeah, let's subtract. 2 minus 0, we have 2, we have 2, we have. So can we say this one? So let's solve this question upward after we are done. So 2, 2, 5, 3. Now a 0 minus 2. You get what? You get 2, right? Now this is the answer when you divide the numerator by the denominator, right? Now let's solve the remaining upward now. Now after you have subtracted the two logs from each other, now the next thing is that you find the square root of the number given. So we are given the square root of 0.18 multiplied by 12.5, all divided by 0.05 multiplied by 0.2. So we are given the square root under the number. I say you're going to change it to what? To change it to what? A division under your what? Under your logarithm. So what do you get under our logarithm before? We got what? We got 2.3522. So the square root of it divided by 2. So when you divide it by 2 now, what do you have? You get what? You get 2 divided by 2, you get 1.1, remain 1. And 15 you have 7, remain 1. In 12 you have 6. In 12 you have 6. So you're having what? 1.1766. So when we divided then, so 2 divided by 12 is 6. 2 divided by 2 should be 1. Now, you've got the answer right now. You have to look for the what? For the anti-log. Now, what will be your anti-log now? you're going to look for the antilog of 17 under 6 difference 1, and that should be what? That should be 1500. Okay, now you are now having 1 before the decimal point. You add 1 to it, making 2. That will tell you the time you are going to move your what? Your point, because you're having a 0.1500 here before. So how many times you are going to move it now? It means twice, because you have 1 here plus 1 making 2. Now let's move twice. Now you have what? 1, you have 2. So decimal point is here. It means you're having what? 15.0. That is, you're having what? 15.
And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Learning is always here for you.